In this present video, we will cover the following topics. Fact sheet of Nifty 50, top and bottom 12 shares of Nifty 50 based on their return in year 2020, moving averages and graphs of Nifty 50 and market trends, equity and debt mutual funds, past performances and investment. The risk capacity of superannuated employee is very limited and equity is very volatile, so therefore we should have a limited exposure to the equity to manage our risk. Next slide deals with the fact sheet of Nifty 50. Nifty 50 closed on 24th December at 13,749. In last 1 year, Nifty has given the return of more than 13%. And Nifty return in last 30 days is around 7%. P/B ratio is more than 35. Price to book ratio is 3.67 and dividend yield is 1.22. In one of my previous video, I have discussed the high P/B ratio for Nifty 50. This slide shows the top 12 companies of Nifty 50 by return in 2020. As you can see, the list is topped by Divi's Lab, which has given more than 100% return in the current year. The list have few pharmaceutical company which has done very well in last 1 year. 3 IT companies are also there. I think 4: Infosys, HCL Tech, Wipro and TCS. So in next slide we will see the bottom 12 company, and you can see the list. It has 5-6 shares of PSUs, including Coal India, IOC, ONGC, BPCL, SBIN, NTPC. So these 2 slides are sufficient to illustrate the point that return on equity can be very high, 100% in a year, or they can be down by 50%. So always we should make a portfolio of the shares to manage the volatility and risk of shares. Because if you have more shares in your portfolio, these 2 slides shows the volatility of particular share can be very high. So always we should try to manage the volatility of shares and our risk by investing in a portfolio of shares. This slide shows the graph of Nifty 50 with various moving averages. At present, the closing price is about 20 days moving average, 50 days moving average and 200 days moving average. So it clearly shows the market is in uptrend. In this graph, I have shown the resistance of level of Nifty, which I have shown with the help of violet line, and it is at 12,352. So as long as Nifty is above this level, I consider the market in bull phase. In next few slides, we have discussed the performance of some of the equity and debt mutual funds. I have invested in Axis equity funds, including Axis Blue Chip, Axis Mid Cap and Axis Small Cap, and in last 1 or 2 years they have given me the good return. And it is clearly shown in the slide also that Axis Blue Chip is ranked number 1 in large, mid and small category. But the past performance is not an indication of the future direction, because few years ago, if I remember correctly, HDFC equity fund, top 100 funds was performing very well, but now it is not the same case. Their performance is not that good in recent times. So it can happen to any mutual funds. In next slide, I have shown the performance of Axis Small Cap Fund and some index fund, 2 index funds. I have invested my retirement saving in corporate bond, short-term fund, and banking and PSU fund. So in one previous video, I have highlighted that debt mutual fund also carry a lot of risk. There are two risks: credit risk as well as interest rate movement risk. So we should be aware about the associated risk and decide accordingly. Next slide shows the banking and PSU fund and short-term fund. All those performances I have taken from the site of CRISIL. CRISIL is an S&P 500 group company, and they have listed the performance of all mutual funds and all equity funds. In my presentation, I have included only limited amount of equity funds and limited amount of debt funds. The complete list you can search as per the SEBI guidelines, or you can find from the CRISIL website also. The present video is for academic purpose only, for discussion only, and I will not be responsible and will not carry any liability. Before making any investment decision, consult your financial advisor, carry out your due diligence and analysis thoroughly. I wish you a very happy, healthy and bright new year. If you like my channel, you can subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you.